welcome back. We're almost done with our NIM game. Doesn't look like there's much left. Once we get the computer to take stones, that'll be the game. You take stones, I take stones, back and forth. Okay, so what have I got for you today? I'm going to try to put together a function called computer takes stones. Now, I had that up here when I was, let's see, so function take stones, so I'm taking a number of stones. Right, we walked through this, but at that point, the computer should take stones. Now, if you'll notice, I commented that line out. So I'm going to go up here to show text, and I'm going to uncomment that line. You surround it with slash star star slash. I'm going to put that line back in because now I'm actually going to have a function called computer takes stones. And here it is. Let's go through this quick. So first I'm going to have create a function. It's going to be a list of statements. So I'm going to put all of them inside one function. There's no arguments, no parameters. So I'm just calling function computer takes stones. So I'm going to drag that green over. It's going to be a lot though. Let's see if I missed anything. What's the first thing this should do? The computer, first of all, should assign a variable, computer stones, a random number. A random number is going to be in our math, and there's random number. I'm going to ask it to grab a random number between 1, 2, and 3, so 1 to 3. Now, it's possible, though, because my computer's, well, stupid, it's possible it may come up with there's 2 stones left, and the computer comes up with the number 3, and so it tries to take 3 stones when there's only 2. So right here I put a little while loop. Suppose the computer stones is bigger than the stones in the pile, like if it's 3 and there's only 2, or if there's 2 and there's 1. Well, then right here the computer stones should just grab another number, randomly spin the dial again and grab another number and keep going. While, as long as computer stones is bigger than the stones in the pile, which is silly, just keep grabbing a random number. Alright, eventually that'll work. Then I have a call to another function called smart computer. But I haven't written that function yet. So just like we did a minute ago, I'm going to do the reverse. I'm going to take that line and I'm going to comment it out. We're going to have use for this soon, but not just yet. So right at this point, let's see, now I have a number of stones. The computer's chosen a number of stones that's appropriate. So it should take the computer stones and subtract that from the stones in the pile and put that into a function called stones in pile. Okay, now we got to figure out what to do next because it's possible right now the game is over. If the stones in the pile right this point right now is 1, then first things first, it should go to screen computer wins. Screen computer wins, and I have a screen with that. And now this label right here is called LBL computer wins. And I'm going to have it say, now this part right here is not tricky, but I just want you to be clear. I got to use a math structure for this. So I'm going to say the computer takes, let's see, which one was this? Oh, it's just a simple plus sign, right? Yeah. So in quotes, I'm going to say the computer takes, and then I'm going to say, I think this would be a little easier in, 1 second. Can I do that? I don't know if I can. I've never tried this. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say add the computer takes, the string, plus the variable computer stones plus, I think if I do it this way here, there we go. So I want 3 things in that label. The computer takes whatever number stones and wins the game, and I want that to show up on the screen right here. Okay. Else, that's what's going to happen if the stones is equal to 1. Else, I would like to set the text to the computer takes. Now this is back in this screen right here. There we go. The screen. I'd like a label to pop up here. The computer takes 3 stones, one, 2, or 3 stones, and then change the number of stones in the pile. And that's about it. Now I should have a game which lets me go back and forth and back and forth, and the computer takes some, and I take some, and the computer takes some. We do still have some last minute finishing touches, and I didn't write that smart computer function, whatever that is, but we will. Please make these additions to your game. Send me what you have.